Hell, good morning, people. I got you a story you ain't gonna believe this time, I tell you what. I ain't feeling well, so I sent the old lady in to get some dang old cough syrup. That's all I wanted was some cough syrup, you hear me? So she goes into Walgreens, comes out, she's hollering at me, you got to go in, they need you. So I go in, I'm thinking, what in the earth is going on? I go into this dang old store and the woman looks at me, she says, sir, I need your ID. You have to show ID, identification, if you want cough syrup. I said, well, okay, I gave her my ID. And I started thinking about it a little bit. Next thing I said, ma'am, you do realize I could go anywhere in the state of New Jersey and buy marijuana, weed, gummies, and all that. But if I want me some cough syrup, I got to show you my ID. There's something wrong there.